Did you know that millennials now hold nearly $16 trillion in wealth, yet most don't feel wealthy? This weird phenomenon is called
phantom wealth.
And today we're unpacking why it's messing with your mind and what to do about it. Have you ever actually checked your net worth and thought, it doesn't match how broke I feel? So first, what is phantom wealth? It's illiquid assets. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Illiquid, whatever. It's basically not liquid assets. So think like your house or your 401k or your investments. Those things on paper raise your net worth, but you can't spend them. Like you can't go to a convenience store and be like, I'd like to buy all of your Feastables with my house. Millennials saw home prices jump roughly 44% from 2019 to 2022. And retirement balances doubled. But that doesn't help with rent or groceries right now. We've all been in this situation. It's like I go to a hardware store thinking, man, I'm worth so much. These people have no idea how much I'm worth. And then I'll swipe my credit card and it'll get declined. And it'll be like, oh, maybe I'm not worth what I thought I was worth. So if it's just on paper, how do you turn it into real cash flow? Our brain focuses on what we can't access, not what's locked up in assets. Experts are saying that rising living costs, rent, student loans push people to feel poor despite growing wealth. You find yourself staying up at night, watching your TV show mindlessly, and your mind is actually worrying about your money and how much you're concerned that you're probably gonna miss next month's rent. Or when you go shopping and you realize that watermelon is excessively expensive, so you're deciding to probably buy the canned version instead because it's a little bit cheaper, but it's most likely worse for you. Now, is this phantom wealth helping or hiding our real financial health? Just because your home is worth more doesn't mean that it covers things like emergencies or paying off high interest debt. Some millennials are solid, others are drowning. Assets are basically unevenly distributed. There'll be people that I went to school with or people that I had the same career with that are still living in their parents' basement. No shade, maybe they're maybe they're playing the game. But if they're not playing the game, how do they flip phantom wealth from illusion to real life security? 1, build liquid savings, not illiquid or liquid, whatever. Things like emergency funds. Those things beat paper equity every time. Number B, prioritize debt repayment. Interest kills you. Paying down high interest debt frees up actual cash for you to spend. And third of all, explore asset cash outs carefully. Refinancing, home equity lines, but only if it makes sense to you. I decided to make emergency and my debt repayment my priorities. So I actually split up doing both. But then when I realized I was getting really close to paying off my debt, I decided, okay, I'm gonna put off topping up my emergency for a little bit, use that money, put it towards my debt. And once that was done, I topped up my emergency. And then once that was done, all that cash was for me to spend. It made me feel pretty nice, not gonna lie. Now, what about the stuff that millennials actually own that isn't phantom wealth? We should each have our own little cash reserve for daily life. Like if you wanna go out and grab a smoothie, cool, you have the money to go do it. You should have your investable assets, stocks, ETFs that actually grow, and maybe you could access them whenever you want. Retirement savings, yes, but don't ignore it. So how do you actually measure real wealth every month? Listen, phantom wealth is real, but it's only part of your financial picture. Combine it with accessible savings, growing assets, and less debt. And now you're in the driver's seat. Does your net worth match how you're feeling? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. Listen, chances are you got a bit of a lead. I appreciate you sticking around for the end of this video. It means the world. Subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, or don't, and I'll see you next week.